Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and ready. This saves time. Open Settings now and find the Battery section. On iPhone, it's labeled Battery. On many Androids, it's Battery or Power. Once done, you'll see Low Power Mode or Battery Saver options. This is where we'll act. If you're on Android, check for a three-dot menu or Advanced Battery Settings. These often hide the Saver toggle. Make sure you can follow both paths before moving forward. You now locate the Low Power Mode or Battery Saver toggle and switch it off. On iPhone, tap Battery then flip Low Power Mode to off. You'll see battery percentage coloring return to normal. On Android, open Battery or Power and toggle Battery Saver off, or expand Quick Settings and tap the Saver icon. Once switched, the system restores background activity and performance settings. Make sure to wait a few seconds so apps resume normal behavior. You finish by confirming the change. The battery icon and performance should normalize. If the toggle won't switch, restart the phone and try again. A reboot clears temporary locks. Also check if a scheduled saver or power profile re-enables the mode and disable schedules if needed. If problems persist, check for system updates or consult support for device-specific bugs. Otherwise, your phone will now run at regular performance until you manually re-enable saver mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.